Hey everybody, how's it going? Ron Watson, Positive Vibe, host of DiscDogger Weekly. Welcome to the Sound of DiscDog. The Sound of DiscDog is a live training session Q&A on Clubhouse. In this session, we ask our listeners to put their ears on and listen up and try to imagine what's happening on the training field. This audible attenuation to the training situation provides a unique perspective and a unique learning experience where we can test our imagination and try to suss out some things that maybe we wouldn't see on video. Later on in the week, I'll put up the video from this session and you'll get a chance to put your imagination to the test and see how it matches up to reality. The Sound of DiscDog is a unique learning experience and an opportunity to get a fresh perspective on dog training and dog sports. All right, let's do it. Obi, that'll do. Way to grill them, Bettina. Keep them on their toes. Keep them on their toes. All right. All right, we're going to get started. I have Obi here. He's Pitbull. We're going to work on catching and dropping. What I think you're going to want to take a look at and pay attention to is the marking of the catch or the no marking of the catch. I'll give a catch cue. I'll say catch before I throw. And if he catches, you'll hear yes, and then I'll reinforce with the out cue. And hopefully all of that goes down rather quickly. We should have nice, quick a nice, quick response time between my marker and the drop cue. Ready? Makai, get out. Yeah. Oh, he missed that. Ouse. Yes. Good man. That was a nice drop. Yes. Good man. Ouse. Yes. Catch. Yes. And I'm doing a pendulum pattern here. Ouse. Yes. Good man. Catch. Yes. Good man. Ouse. Yes. Good work, Ob. That's great. Yes. Ouse. Yes. You'd hear that one was a little bit latent. I switched up to a little bit of a zigzag pattern there. And he doesn't do well dropping on the counter clock. I don't know if you guys noticed that with your dogs, but dogs often have a preference for dropping. It's easier for them to drop in one direction rather than the other. And Obi drops much better on the clockwise movement. Makai, get out. Catch. Yes, good man. Ouse. And right there you could hear he ran all the way up and didn't drop. So I'm going to just go ahead and kill the game for a moment. And I'll reach down real slow. You probably hear him breathing on me. Pick up that disc. Start out going the other way. Mauka, get out. Mauka is counter clock. Yes, good man. Ouse. Yes, good man. Yes, good man, Ob. Ouse. Yes, catch. Yes, watch out for the car. Yeah, good man. Ouse. Squib. What happened? He didn't drop in time, so I'm breaking down the game. Ouse. Yes, squib. Catch. Ouse. Yes, good man. Yes, good man. Ouse. Yes, catch. No catch on that one. Wow, that was great, Obi. All right. Anybody have any questions, comments, anything they notice within that session? I know it's not very sexy or exciting, but it actually is, because Obi's a terrible dropper and a terrible catcher, so. Yep. I was pretty much, I should offer the catch cue all the time. That would be nice. But his drop is latent, and I'm having to wait a long time. And so the timing is not really there for me to give. A couple of those catch cues I gave strictly for you, like even after I threw. So the main reason I'm trying to be anal on delivering those catch cues is so you guys can track this a little better. Makai, get out, catch. Yes, good man. Aus. Yes, catch. And I'll try and do a better job of that this time. There was no catch on that. Aus. Yes, catch. Yes, good man. Aus. Yes, catch. He's tipping these. Again, you should be able to hear a huge distinction in the energy level of the game, the intensity of the game, when he misses or when he doesn't comply on the drop. You ready, Ob? Aus. You ready? You want to flip for it? Can you do it? He says, I can't do that, Ron. All right, how about a big rebound? You ready? Rebound. Yes, good man. Aus, go. Catch. Good try, buddy. Good try. That was a freaking huge rebound. You look good on video. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. All right, Ob, I can't reach it. Good man. Come on, handsome. Yes, mine. I can't reach it. Way out there. Way out there. Go get it. Whoa, that guy. That guy. He's awesome. Mine. Awesome. Go to dog stuff. All right. And that's it for Obi.